Good morning, good morning. I went out on the Forever website today and I saw that the deals of the day have been updated. I checked deal of the day. Artistic license 50 masked moments straight up. Okay, so Pixels to Pages showed us that there's these new frame effects, and they're not new. This feature's been there all along, but they've learned how to take advantage of it. This kit includes those effects as well. So I downloaded it. I have it in my Artisan. I just wanted to show you. I added some photos to a template or to a blank page. I have my kit over here installed and ready to roll. The frame effects are going to be under the second from the right where it says frame. So I left click on that. And then here comes all my frames. So we'll go on page 2 and I'll scroll down, show you some different options. So if I click on this photo and I want to apply a mask effect or a frame effect, right click on the frame that you've selected and click on it. And the top option, which is apply this frame/effect to the selected elements. So super easy way to apply a mask compared to the old way, which I will show you. We'll find that same mask. There it is. So this is what it looks like as an element. I'm going to go ahead and remove that effect. So go here, effects, remove, and slide it over there for now so it's out of the way. So typically what I have taught you guys to do is copy the mask that you want. So put it on your page, home tab, copy, and then go to the element that you want to apply it to, effects, edit, add an effect, insert a mask layer. And then just click on this black square, because right now the mask is just the whole thing is being shown. But if I click this, I can hit paste, and it'll pop up and it'll say, this is what's going to be applied, and you can say that's good. So you say, okay. So that is the steps before. So you had to do add to page, copy, right click, effects, edit, then add an effect, click on it, paste, hit OK. Many steps. Now, if I want to remove that effect, edit effects, remove. Okay, go back to frames. Again, super easy. Right click, actually you have to have it selected. There you go. Right click, apply. Super easy. What's cool too, so I was playing around with this and I was thinking, well, this would be kind of a neat, like if you wanted an overlay on the outside of the page, but we would have to do that old school way. Let's add a piece of paper. All right, and we're gonna go effects, edit, add an effect. We're gonna do the mask layer. I'm gonna hit paste again. It should still be in there. There it is. But this time I'm going to invert. So down here where it says invert, so I want it to keep the outside, not the inside for this paper, to give kind of a decorative edge to my page. I'm going to say OK, and then I can slide it behind my photos, and it's an element on the page. And I personally probably would like reduce the opacity a little bit just to make it less obstructive on the page. But so that's another way that you can use the element. So these are the elements or embellishments. There's all kinds of them. And the way it's been designed, you can apply the mask right to your selected element. So let's go on my page over here. We'll go to frames. We'll click on this first one. And again, you just find one that you want to try, right click, apply. You're like, oh, I like that. So then what you do is you say, I want these to match. So I'm holding down shift and I'm left clicking on the frames, right click, apply. Let's say later on in the design process, you're finishing up your page, you're like, yeah, I don't like it. I want to take that off. So you can't just right click. But you can do them all at once if you go up to the Format tab. So up here, Format tab, Effects section, and then Remove. And that removed all of them at once. If you have just one single element selected, you could do the same thing, or you can right-click, go to Effects, Remove. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.